Good morning, Pirates. I wanted to take a moment and demonstrate our reading and notes for today using the paper option. So if you go to our announcement today, which you're already at to find this video, and notice that our second assignment after bell work is Properties of Matter Notes, Summaries from Readings. And so when you click on that, it pulls up this page that has instructions. The instructions are also copied on the document down here that you'll work on, which is Properties of Matter Notes template. When you click on that and open it, you'll get this template right here. And once you click on it, it's yours, so you don't have to make a copy of this. And you'll notice that it has Notes 1, Matter, Mass, and Volume. That's today's. But if you scroll down, I've gone ahead and put the notes for the whole unit on this one document. So we're just doing these Matter, Mass, and Volume ones today. In a couple of days we will do the second one and so forth. And so to do this, this is the actual title of the reading, and if you click on it, it takes you to the reading. And so when I click on that, I get this reading called Matter, Mass, and Volume. So to do these notes, if you look at the instructions, I need to have the title of the section, the objectives from the reading. And so here is my title, Matter, Mass, and Volume. And so on my paper, I might put my name, get this so you can see it. And then the title is Matter, Mass, and Volume. And my objectives from the reading, they are these three bullets right above this picture of this model of matter. So my objectives are to define matter, to state what mass measures, and finally to state what volume measures. So far in my notes I have the title of the section and my objectives. If I'm looking at the assignment up here, notice that I need to have title, objectives from reading, and then I have an outline or summary of the reading by subheading. And then if there's any videos, we want you to watch the video and take some notes from the video. So if I scroll down here, my first subheading is what's the matter. And I might underline that or somehow make that stand out as a subheading. And then I'm going to read this little paragraph and write a summary. My next heading is mass. I'm going to read this about mass, take a look at the picture of the scale, and I'm going to write a summary. And again, the summary has to work for you to be useful in the event you get questions on a test about mass or mass versus weight. It's my third subheading. So you can see I have the first three subheadings: what's the matter, mass, mass versus weight, and then I'm going to write a summary of each of those little sections in my notes. And then my next subheading is volume, and I write a summary of volume. mass versus weight, and then volume. Then I have a section called calculating volume from dimensions. So I'm at the bottom of my page, so I'm going to flip it over. Calculating volume from dimensions, and then a summary of. Hopefully you have volume equals length times width times height as a part of that. And then measuring volume using displacement. And then I have a video, and so I might just indicate that there's a video there. Let me move this back over so you can see. So you can see I have set this up. I have my name, I have the name of the chapter, I have objectives, which are what the author is saying the goal of the reading is. And then I have kind of an outline of the chapter. And the outline of the chapter is really what I'm looking for. The notes you choose to put with your outline really need to work for you depending on your background knowledge. If you understand what matter is, you maybe don't have a very big summary there. Maybe just a simple definition. But if you are totally new to the concept of matter, then you maybe have more details there. Again, you want them to be useful for you, and you're starting to develop the ability to summarize, the ability to pick out main ideas and important concepts from a reading or from a source, which is, kind of the secondary goal here of this activity. Once I'm done with that, then I'm going to go back to my document here, and if I wanted to type it out, I could have done all of this typing right here. That would have been a choice. But since I'm showing you the paper option, I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. So I'm going to go to Photo Booth, and I am going to photograph my notes, and it may take several pictures. Then I'm going to come over to this part of my paper, like between objectives and subheadings. I'm going to go to Insert Photo or Image, Upload from Computer. I'm going to go to my photo booth, which is going to be all the way at the bottom under Media and Photos. Click on Photo Booth, which will be at the top then. And then you need to find, Photo Booth, not Photos. Find the picture that you just took. See if I can find it in my wealth of pictures. There's one of them. So I'm going to insert that. Then I'm going to insert the second one. Insert, upload from computer. Photos. Photo booth. And I believe there it is. So here I have now inserted photos of my notes for this section, matter, mass, and volume, and I'm done for today. Then next week when we do our second section, you will open it up. Same document. You'll come down here to Notes 2. You'll click on Physical Properties of Matter, Reading and Notes, and you will do the same process for this reading section. Hope this video helps. Please shoot me an email if you have any questions.